Hello and welcome back. This is Paul Photography with episode 7 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we want to do some concert photography, so let's get the stage into your living room. Let's jump right into it. To get the right stage feeling we need colored backing lights. I put the small reflectors to my Speedlights and give gels on it. On the left side I want some red color, and on the other side I want blue. I put one of my strobes right behind my head, so I get a nice rim light on my shoulders and around my head. Now as a fourth light source, I put my rectangular softbox to my other strobe, so let all the sources work together. Now grab some instruments and let's go! Paul, and this is your live shot.